Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we would like to show you the waste management in small farm in kampung pengkalan kubur. This small cattle farm was located in the village area. Because he is small breeder, so he has small number of cows in his farm, which is 5 cows. Cows will be allowed to roam around to eat grass in the barn area. They are also given concentrate and water in their feed.
Based on our observation, the farm are located near housing area. As you can see, manure are scattered on the ground and waste are not handled properly as there is no specific area for manure collection. There are also manure in the feed container. This shows that farmers are not managing the waste properly. There are a few improvements that should be done in this farm based on our observation. Firstly, the farm should be located far away from housing area to avoid air pollution. Secondly, waste must be handled properly. Feces should be cleaned once in 2 days, depends on the quantity of the feces. And lastly, the feeding area should not be on the ground as it can be easily contaminated by the feces.
The cow feces will be collected and will be placed in a sack. The collected cow feces will be used as fertilizer. The fertilizer will be placed on trees around his farm area such as coconut trees.
There are lots of advantages of using animal waste as fertilizer, such as used as organic fertilizer, can save costs, can perform on integrated farming, can generate income, and prevent from using chemical fertilizer on plants. That's all from us. Thank you for watching and bye!